What's going on, guys? It's David, Third Coast Hustle. We got another pressure washing job. Today we're doing the house wash, cleaning up these screens right here and right here, taking care of the driveway for them. They wanted this clean. It's not really that bad, but I'm gonna go ahead and pull all the leaves out for them and then soap it down, rinse it out. This is actually the mother's house of another customer that I've done some work for. I've actually washed their pool deck and whatnot twice. This is the 780, I think the first or one of the first videos I posted on here. Same people that called me up, said, hey David, my mom needs to get her house cleaned. Let me know when you can get a quote. And my job today got rescheduled. So told them I was in the area, I'd swing by now if that was cool. They said, yeah, they're at the doctor, let me know. We're gonna go ahead and get it done. I told them the price is gonna be like $450. So I told them if they went ahead and did it today, I could take care of $400. So job getting rescheduled, getting pushed back. Still gonna get my money today. All right, so we're all done with this one. Ran out of time, but I got it done. Everything's looking good. I've been paid. Homeowner's happy. This will be my quickest exit clip. Showing the work, got all in there done. Need to rinse that off again. Take care of that before I leave. It's all looking good over here. Alrighty. That's it. Got the, you have a good one. Got the driveway done. Late to go pick up my daughter. So if you watch this far, I appreciate you. Like, comment, subscribe, all that jazz. See you on the next one.